My Way or the Tighway, Phonics in English with Crew Tim. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do Jolly Phonics Workbook number 4, page number 13. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Page number 13. Let's go ahead and read what we have to do today. Each dot represents one sound. For each word, point to the dots, say the sounds, and listen for the word. Then draw a picture. So we're going to read the words, we're going to read them out by the dots, by the sounds, and then we're going to draw a picture for each one of the words. Let's go ahead and let's get started. What is this word? Let's sound it out. R-O-D. Road. Road. What is this word? B-O-T. Boat. Boat. What is this word? S-A-L. Sail. Sail. What is this word? P-I. Pie. Pie. What is this word? T-R-E. Tree. Tree. What is this word? B-E. Bee. Bee. What is this word? H-O-R-N. Horn. Horn. What is this word? Fork. 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 What is this word? Flies. Flies. Great job. Go ahead and draw some pictures. Here are my pictures. You did a wonderful job today. The end. Great job, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.